AT&T Internet Air versus AT&T Fiber. Two different ways to get online from the same provider. If you're trying to decide which one is actually better for your home, let's break down the key differences. First, AT&T Internet Air. This service uses AT&T's 5G or wireless network to deliver internet to your home. You don't need cables running in, just a receiver that connects to the nearest cell tower. Internet Air can be quick to set up and doesn't require traditional wired infrastructure. Speeds vary depending on signal strength and local congestion. Some users report moderate to fast speeds depending on conditions. Now, AT&T Fiber. This is internet delivered directly over fiber optic cables, basically light-based transmission that offers much higher potential speeds and reliability. Fiber internet typically offers very high speeds and stable performance that isn't affected much by weather or network congestion. You can even get upload and download speeds that are symmetrical, which is great for video calls, uploading large files, or gaming. A key difference is availability. Fiber is fantastic where it's offered, but it's not everywhere because it requires physical cables to be installed. Internet Air can reach homes where fiber hasn't been built yet, especially in rural or underserved areas. In terms of performance and consistency, fiber usually wins because it's wired directly into your home. Internet Air can be reliable too, but speeds and performance depend on how strong that wireless signal is at your house. So, here's the simple takeaway. If AT&T Fiber is available where you live and you want the fastest, most consistent connection for heavy streaming, work from home, or multiple users, fiber is usually the better pick. If fiber isn't available yet, or you want something quick and wireless with good everyday speeds, AT&T Internet Air can be a good alternative. And yeah, that's a quick comparison of AT&T Internet Air versus AT&T Fiber. Pick the one that fits your needs and what's available at your address.